What's really going on, everybody? This is Lazybutton back, finally, bringing you guys a tutorial on how to get set up with a dark and light mod. First off, we're going to start out by, I ran my own test, obviously for a previous recording I did that was just horrendous, so hopefully this one goes better. Anywho, we're going to make a new folder inside the mods folder. We're going to name it Tutorial Video. And boom, we're done. See, that's all you had to do. No, I'm kidding. Anywho, once you're done there, you go into generic mods. You want to get generic mod game data. You want to get game data plus. And you want to get game mode. You don't really necessarily need to grab the level here. I mean, you're already on the level. We're going to take and copy here. And then one day when it's done, we'll continue on with this. One day down the road, maybe. This can take a while. I should have actually messed around with some stuff in the dev kit before I decided to transfer files. It seems like the first thing or two you do in the dev kit is extremely time consuming. But that's alright. If it doesn't go through, we'll slap it until it does. I know this, I don't know if the launcher itself or if, I don't think the dev kit actually had an update, but I know the launcher did. One day. Come on now. Come on back now, you hear? Yeah, this is on an SSD too. This is it's kind of crazy. Wow, there we go. Okay, so now that you got your mods in here, what you want to do, you want to rename them. I'm going to go ahead up here to generic, and I'm going to name it tut underscore. Same thing with this guy. We don't want it to be generic, we want it to be awesome. And then, once we get done naming all these guys, you're going to go up here to Window. You're going to check the box by world settings. Normally this box will not be populated. You'll have a details over here, but as soon as you check the world settings, it'll actually pop up this guy. So you start off by primal game data. That is your game data BP. Okay, so you're gonna, this might take a minute. You're gonna go blam, no. And then you go down here and you see, whoa, I'll pull it out a little further. So you can see task assets. Each one of these things in here actually, they do different things. You know, you got one for structures. Hey, there's a test one. Anywho, right now we're just using, technically we don't even need the plus. But we're going to use it anyways because we have it, so I'm going to slap that guy right there. And in the game mode here, you want test game mode, just like the Arc Dev Kit. And there you go, there's your world settings. And then we're going to make a folder in here. You know, if you're going to work on structures, you name it whatever you want your structures to be. So this is just our base folder. So we're going to do, I'm going to do tut creatures. That is the basics of this. I'm going to actually open up these generic mods. This one's for creatures. one day. This guy right here, status values for creatures, and it's what you're going to use mainly for creatures. This is just a little extra guy. Data task, task level image, quest chains. That's where you do your quest chains. But right now, I would not advise messing with the quest chains. Obviously, this is placeable structures. And then test game mode is obviously the game mode you're playing in. So that's just a little bit of a heads up on what you're dealing with when it comes to this dev kit. And in the next tutorial, we're going to be tackling making a creature, and then I'm going to show you how to add the creature the only way you can right now until we get additional spawners. But I hope you liked the video. I hope it helps you get started, at least with the Dark and Light dev kit. And I will definitely catch you guys in the next one. Y'all take care and take it easy. Bye-bye.